Box gutter installation. The box gutter comes attached to the eaves beam. Ensure the box gutter is adequately supported until it's permanently fixed to the host wall. Fixing the box gutter braces. Ensure that the box gutter is level and set the braces 600 mm apart along the length of the box gutter. Using the 8 mm drill bits, pre-drill holes through the box gutter braces and into sound masonry. Primary seal to host wall. Self-adhesive flashing tape is included in your conservatory kit. This product is suitable for use where the host wall is flat and even, for example face brickwork. The tape is provided as a means of temporarily sealing the conservatory from water ingress. Cut the flashing tape and apply the flashing tape to the host wall. The flashing tape should run down 3 courses of brick and run into the drainage channel. Although the flashing tape, if applied in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions, can function for many years, it's not a long-term substitute for traditional lead flashing. We would recommend that you employ an experienced builder to carry out lead flashing works during the construction of your conservatory or at some time in the near future.